name is Kim Smith, and I'm here with Molly at National Hair Center. I'm here for my every 6-week service. I've been coming to National Hair Center for 14 years. So a really long time. See where you can see where I have my hair growth right here,
Okay.
but I don't have any hair right here.
Yes.
Yeah. My hair would have never gotten this long ever in my life. I've always had fine baby
And it was
thin hair.
thin. Yeah.
Yep.
So it's like you're protecting the hair that you have.
Yep.
How long have you been here, Molly?
32 years.
Oh, you are the National Hair Center.
Yeah.
Yep.
So it just looks like you came to the salon for a blowout.
Yep.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It's beautiful. Ready to take on the world.
Yes, I am.